In Jain philosophy, the soul is described as completely formless and invisible. This creates a logical puzzle. How does a weightless, non-physical entity build a biological body, speak words, or perform physical actions? The solution lies in the existence of Pudgal, fundamental, microscopic particles of matter that saturate the universe. When Pudgal atoms with identical energy and potential cluster together, they form a coordinated group known as a Vargana. This structure follows a strict hierarchy. If a single atom is an individual student, a small cluster of them is a classroom. Multiple classrooms form a specific grade, and the entire functioning school is the Vargana. Ultimately, these Varganas provide the primary toolkit. They are the physical materials a formless soul uses to navigate a material world. The cosmos contains 23 distinct types of Varganas, but the soul only possesses the capacity to interact with a specific few. They are categorized into grahan, clusters the soul can actively grasp, and agrahan, which remain independent and untouchable. This functions like a radio receiver. The soul acts as an antenna, tuning into specific, compatible frequencies to pull matter from the environment. The agrahan Varganas occupy the spaces between these usable signals. They exist everywhere, yet they bypass the soul's receiver entirely. Our entire experience of physical life, speech, and thought depends on tuning into just 5 of these active grahan frequencies. The first is Ahar Vargana. The soul consumes this matter to construct the visible physical body, building the foundation of skin, bone, and muscle. Second is Tejas Vargana. The soul absorbs this to generate internal heat and energy, providing the power required for digestion and movement. Third is Basha Vargana. When we speak, the soul pulls ambient particles from the surrounding air, catching vibrations to physically assemble the sounds of language. Fourth is Mano Vargana. The soul uses this matter to build the Dravya Man, the physical hardware of the mind required for the process of human thought. The fifth is Karman Vargana. Emotional states of attachment or aversion cause these invisible particles to adhere to the soul, forming the long-term record of karma. A specific mathematical principle governs this progression from the physical body to the karmic record, known as the rule of subtlety. As we move from Ahar down toward Karman, the number of atoms in each cluster increases to an infinite degree. Simultaneously, the physical size of those atoms is shrinking. This allows dense karmic data to permeate the body without occupying any extra space. Our physical form, our speech, and our thoughts are tangible, material downloads pulled from the cosmos. If the soul only utilizes 5 types of matter, we must account for everything else filling the universe. The Maha Agrahan, Dhruv, and Shunya Varganas are clusters so scattered and subtle that they create the optical sensation of empty space. At the absolute end of the hierarchy, we find the Nagad Varganas. This matter is so dense that infinite souls are packed into a single microscopic body, filling every corner of the universe. In this view, every corner of the cosmos exists as a solid, layered block of living and non-living matter. This implies that our daily thoughts, spoken words, and physical actions leave a material trace in our environment. Every sentence we form and every emotion we hold manipulates the Varganas of the universe, sculpting reality with these invisible particles. These 23 Varganas form the foundational mechanism, the structural link connecting the invisible soul to the physical cosmos.